Davila. Quickly lang, thank you. No, may nagsisalita pa naman. Ano lang yung question. Here the topic is the human rights. Siguro yung lagi kong pinukol sa inyo, for example, na nung panahon ng inabuti, yung Legiona massacre, one of the worst situations in human rights happened after your mother.
If you examine the Mindoro massacre, among the things that you would see was that there was a dialogue that should have happened. I was talking to Mayor Linda the other day. He was reminding me that Edgar Bonifacio was witness the work of the at the time. Purposely was speaking out and giving the mayor to get him and 10 others representatives to talk with Joker Arroyo, who was in charge of the at the time. On the way to that point, there was an explosion that seemed to be a signal. And if you will look at the videos, it is the police and the first. They also have human rights. And you know, it's good to ask that, because I've really examining the issue and to find out exactly who perpetrated what, who sought to gain something from sacrificing so many innocents. So, after all of this, I think I really seek to re-examine, to take corrective action, especially given the fact that later on, it seems the same activity was perpetrated and was perpetrated.
So how would you change history on that?
So I won't change history, but it seems we have not learned the complete lessons of that incident, and therefore it's allowed to happen. It's allowed to happen in Louisiana, and perhaps if we don't stay corrected, then it's not happening in the future.
Okay, we can walk through. So if elected president, sir, how would you solidify human rights?
There's a many things among them to make sure that the laws are already executed or not carried out. For instance, should the Maguindanao massacre happen, if we had adhered to the concept embodied in the Constitution of prohibition on private arms, that was tolerated. It was clear that
So you would break them when you're president?
Start to begin with, but
already in the second round.
Hello? Later I'll call you, ha? I'll call you. Yes. I'll buy later taho, ah. I'll buy later taho. Okay, bye-bye. I'm with Noy Noy. I'm with Noy Noy Aquino, ha? I'm with Noy Noy Aquino. I'm with Noy Noy Aquino. Okay, bye.